fellows, and welcome back to the Urban Butchery Channel with me, Franco Maciolaio. Now I'm just doing a little video because something really exciting has happened to the channel over the last couple of weeks, and that is we're going to be doing our first outreach session, which is going to be on the Boscawen stage on the 28th, Saturday, and 29th, which is on the Sunday, at the all-new Truro Food Festival. So I'm going to be doing two demonstrations. On the Saturday I'm going to be doing a pork butchery demonstration. Once the pig is butchered, it's going to be bagged up and refrigerated and auctioned on the Sunday, and all proceeds from that sale or from that auction will go to the Truro Trust, which is a charity formed to help people that are starving and hungry and obviously need help. On the Sunday I'm going to be doing sausage making, so I hope that we have some willing participants in the audience. So all I want to say really is that, you know, if you want to come down, support me, come and say hello, heckle me if you wish, I don't care. But it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for the channel, a fantastic opportunity for you guys to see some live butchery, and a fantastic opportunity to raise some money for a really good cause. So without further ado, bottoms up, heads down, and hopefully I'll see you on the Saturday or the Sunday. Let's crack on.